This is the Rinnai Energy Saver gas heater. The filters in the rear of the heater need to be cleaned monthly. They just slide out from the back of the heater. Easiest way to clean them is with a vacuum cleaner, as we're going to demonstrate. Once cleaned, they just slide back into the heater at the rear and job's done. Once we've cleaned the filters at the rear, you then can clean the filters at the front of the machine and at the side of the machine. Once again, it's just a very quick vacuum with the brush head of the vacuum cleaner.